Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado noodles, easy method. Gather noodles, 1 ripe avocado, lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a blender. Start by cooking noodles until al dente and cooling them briefly. Blend avocado, lemon, garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper to a creamy sauce. Toss noodles with sauce gently to coat, adjust seasoning, and plate with optional herbs for a fresh finish. In this video, I will show how to make avocado noodles, easy method. Start by scooping avocado into a blender, then add lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, and 2 tablespoons olive oil. Blend until smooth and creamy, scraping down the sides as needed. Season with salt and pepper, then taste and adjust to your preference. If the sauce feels dense, stir in a splash of reserved noodle water for silkier coating and better texture. In this video, I will show how to make avocado noodles, easy method. After draining noodles, return them to the pot and add the avocado sauce while still warm for better adherence. Toss gently with tongs until noodles are evenly coated and glossy. Taste a bite and add lemon, salt, or pepper if needed. Plate the noodles and finish with a sprinkle of herbs, grated cheese, or toasted nuts to add texture and contrast to the creamy sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.